guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the first time on my channel, I'm doing a one brand makeup tutorial and it's going to be Charlotte Tilbury. So that is what I have on my face, on my eyes. I decided to go with, I don't know, like a pop of color because it's kind of peacock color. Peacock? Yeah, why does it sound weird? I don't know. Anyway, this is what I came up with. Yeah, so if you want to see what I used and what I did to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. I think I'm just gonna use this color right here. It's kind of a warm brown reddish tone, and I'm going to use my Sigma E40. The only problem I might have with this color is that it's not a matte one, but we'll see. It's not the best eyeshadow to blend with, but wait, I'm going to use this. This is the Filmstar Bronze and Glow Sculpting Palette, and I'm going to use this color for my crease because I don't like the other one. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, it's the color is okay, but it's not completely matte, and I'm not really a fan of that, but maybe it will be fine once I apply the cream eyeshadow, so we'll see. Then I'm gonna go in with this darker shade right here, just a little bit for my lower crease. Let's see what happens. It's kind of tricky to work with these eyeshadows. This is my first time ever using a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow, but just use a little bit and then try to blend it out as much as possible, then it will work. Blending everything together. And to highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna use this one right here, which looks a bit light, but if I just use a little bit, then I can make it work, I think, yeah. All right, I think I have enough brown colors on my eyes. Let's now do the color that I'm the most excited for. It is a cream eyeshadow and it's called Eyes to Mesmerize in Cleopatra. I almost never use cream eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna take a little bit and apply it on my eyelid. Let's see. Ooh, holy crap. Holy crap, that's pretty. My god. I just used a tiny amount and this product is freaking pigmented. Just gonna pat it onto my eyelid. And yes, I am going to blend it into my crease, but I'm gonna use a different brush to do so. I'm gonna take the MAC 221 again, and I'm just gonna blend this into my lower crease because I don't wanna have a harsh line. Just took a little bit more of the product and wiping it onto the back of my hand just to make sure that I don't have too much. I'm gonna apply a little bit more on my eyelid just to make it vibrant again. Quickly gonna do the other eye. All right, so both eyes are done with the eyeshadow, and the thing I was most afraid of was that it was not going to be easy to blend it, but it's fine. And normally I would just use an eyeshadow in the same color just to set it. I know she has it, but I don't have it, so we're just gonna leave it the way it is. Just trying to tap over it just to let it dry a bit. Let's do eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Feline Flick Quick Fine Line Shadow pen. Shadow? I don't know. It's not the blackest eyeliner out there. And we're not gonna do a wing liner today, just a normal one. You gotta go over it a lot of times to make it kind of black, but I've seen I've seen eyeliners that are more intense than this one. So Charlotte Tilbury doesn't have eyelashes, false lashes, I think. So I'm just gonna use my favorite. These are by Toddy Lashes and they're in the style TL3. There we go. Okay, so before I'm gonna do the rest of the eyes, let's now move on to the face. I already have the moisturizer on. Let's now do the Wonderglow. I think this is also a very popular product. Turn around, tired, dull skin in a beauty flash. Okay. Can be used under, over, or instead of foundation. We're gonna do under. Ooh, that's glowy. Oh, I like this. Yeah. This is a very glowy primer. I think it's a primer, I don't know. I'm using it as a primer. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Magic Foundation in number 8, Medium Honey. I don't know if this is going to be too light, but if so, I'm gonna contour anyway, so I'm gonna darken it a little bit and bronze and, you know, all that good stuff. Oh, that's a pretty thick consistency. I don't know if I need that much. Just gonna use a little bit and then see if I need more. And I'm gonna blend it out using a Sigma E40. No, F80. Oh, I think the color is fine. It's definitely not too light, I think. Okay, I don't need more because this baby is pretty full coverage. So, nope. This is enough coverage for me. I have the feeling that the color, is it a bit too orange? I don't know, but we're just gonna leave it the way it is because I don't have any other option. Let's do some contouring. To contour, I'm gonna use the Hollywood contour thing in medium dark. And I'm gonna blend it out with the Real Techniques foundation brush. This is a pretty product. It's very, very easy to blend. I love this. I'm not gonna contour too much because I still have the bronzer and I want to use that also, so just a little bit. For concealer, I'm gonna use the same one I use on my eyelids, the Retoucher in number 5. There was a lighter shade, but that was too pink, and this is obviously too dark. Oops. The consistency, by the way, is perfect, but the color is not that great because now it's orange under my eyes. Oh my god, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm just gonna let it sit and I'm gonna try to make it lighter just the way I did it on my eyelids. And I'm gonna use a liquid highlighter right now. Maybe that will make it a bit more light. I'm gonna use the Beauty Line wand in Spotlight. I'm actually using this to brighten up my under eyes because the concealer was too light, but this is actually working just fine because it is not a blinding liquid highlighter, it's more of a glow. So yes, I'm applying it under my eyes, and yes, people will be like, oh my god, what are you doing? Well, this is what I'm doing. It's not the first time I did it, so you know, just doing my thing. And to set the concealer, I'm gonna use this powder again. Generally make it lighter, but that's fine. Alrighty, let's go back to the eyes, and I'm going to take this sculpting powder again and a MAC 217, and I'm going to apply it right underneath my lash line for that transition shade because I will be going in with the cream as well. Taking my 242 again and a little bit of that blue eyeshadow cream, putting it on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna apply it first and then I'm gonna blend it out with a smaller blending brush. Then for my waterline, I'm going to use the Rock and Cool Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. Why is it called Liquid Eye Pencil? It's just an eye cool. Oh, but it's a good eye pencil though. Okay, let's go back to the face, and I'm going to use the powder again, but just on this area, not on the highlighted area because I don't have a liquid highlighter. There is a highlighter inside of this, but it's too dark for my skin tone, so I need to leave this the way it is. Then to bronze, I'm going to use this shade right here. It's the Filmstar Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlighting Palette, a medium dark. Normally I am a medium dark, but I don't think I can highlight my face with this one. Maybe I can use it as a blush. I don't know. Oh, that's pretty. Yep. Ooh, I like that. Then I'm gonna use this one as a blush, I think, or maybe just go over it if it does anything. Yeah, it makes it a little bit more peachy. Time to do some lips, and I'm gonna use the Hepburn Honey lipstick, which is a nude shade, and I'm gonna top it off with a lip gloss in Ibiza Nights, also a nude one. That is a very pretty shade. Oh my god, this is so me. And it's kind of a satin finish, not matte, but oh my god. Ooh. This is me. I like this. And I didn't even use a lip liner, just lipstick and lip gloss. And I like it. Alrighty, you guys. So yeah, guys, that was the tutorial. There are some products that I really like. I love the liquid highlighter. I love the glow, like the primer I used before. The concealer, I like the consistency, but the color was not really my color because I like it to be a little bit more light underneath my eyes. And of course, my favorite is the cream eyeshadow. I love that, and the lipstick. So very, very impressed by the products. The one thing I didn't like was the eyeshadow palette. I didn't like the way it blended. I'm just not a fan. This one was also good. Actually, everything was pretty good except for the eyeshadow palette, I think. Yeah, that's it. The eyeliner. It is not really a very good eyeliner. It's pretty hard to apply, and it's not really that black, and I like a very good black eyeliner. But besides that, I think it's fine. I'm happy on how my makeup looks. I hope you like it too. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you want to see me make more videos, like more one brand tutorials, then please let me know, and of course I will film it for you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon.